Hello everyone, welcome back to our basic life support video tutorials. So today we will walk you through the steps to help a choking infant. Friends, this is an essential skill that can save a life in a critical situation. And if you are watching this video in a desperate situation, then please jump over to the timeline being shown here, or you can click the highlighted time in the comment section on YouTube video. Recently, I had a chance to attend BLS and ACLS training. During that, I recorded this video and thought it will be worthwhile to share it with everybody that it may save somebody's life at some point of time. So, it will be a step-by-step guide that how to rescue a choking infant. So let's start with a hypothetical scenario that you are enjoying your dinner with your family and kids when your 1 year boy or 1 year girl who is chewing on a soft toy suddenly start coughing vigorously. The child is producing some kind of gurgling sound and he is also having difficulty breathing. So how would you respond? First step will be you assess the situation. First, you stay calm. Your panic attack won't help the child, and you yourself may become a liability. So, if the infant is unable to cry, cough, or breathe, he producing some kind of gurgling sound, then he might be choking. And if you think the child is choking, assume it is choking, because starting this sequence in a healthy infant won't harm, but on the other side it may save the life of a choking infant. At the same time, you shout for the help, that call for the help, somebody help me, here the child has child is choking, and immediately tell somebody to call the emergency, that may be 911 or 108. So instruct somebody to call the emergency medical team and ask for the help. Also, asking for the help is even important, that there may be somebody sitting around who is trained in these procedure, the CPR, and he may be able to rescue child better. The step number 2 is giving the back blows. So position the infant face down on your forearm, using your thigh or lap for the support. Hold the infant's chest in your head and their jaw on your finger, ensuring the head is lower than the body. Follow every step as being told. Give back blows using the heel of your free hand. Deliver 5 firm back blows between the infant's shoulder. Ensure each blow is distinct with enough force to dislodge the object. The step number 3 is position infant face up. Turn infant face up, keeping head lower than the body. Again, support the head of the baby with your fingers. Use the thigh or lap for the support. Give chest thrust. Now place 2 fingers in the center of infant chest, just below the nipple line. Perform 5 quick chest thrust, pressing down about 1.5 inch. So give firm thrust so that the chest goes down. Each thrust should be distinct and firm, as being shown here in this video. The step number 4 is repeat the cycle. Continue alternating between 5 back blows and 5 chest thrusts until the object is dislodged, child start crying normally or start breathing normally, and the infant becomes responsive. Also check again, has somebody called the emergency medical team or not? If not, tell them to call it again.
Again flip the baby, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again flip on another arm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again flip the baby, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again flip on another arm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again flip the baby, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again flip on another arm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Method का नाम है 5 back slaps and 5 chest thrust. और ये आप कब तक करते रहेंगे? जब तक बच्चा अनरेस्पॉन्सिव नहीं हो जाता या फिर चोकिंग रिलीव नहीं हो जाता. अगर बेबी अनरेस्पॉन्सिव हो गया है तो यस, स्टार्ट CPR. व्हाट इज द मॉडिफिकेशन इन द CPR? यस, बिफोर डिलीवरिंग द ब्रेथ लाइक 15:2 या 30:2 करोगे ना, तो ब्रीदिंग देने से पहले यू हैव टू ओपन द एयरवे, लुक फॉर द ऑब्जेक्ट. इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज विजिबल, रिमूव दैट ऑब्जेक्ट. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं दिख रहा है, ब्लाइंड फिंगर स्वीप नहीं करना. क्लियर?
So you have to continue the CPR, emergency medical team arrive, or the child shows sign of life. Only difference, as pointed out in this video, between the child and adult CPR is before giving the rescue breaths, you have to gently tilt the forehead of the child back and lift the chin of the child up. That will open the airway. Gently open the mouth, and if the foreign body is visible, try to remove it. The only caution is, please, for God's sake, don't try to give a blind sweeps or something you try to do in hurry. So otherwise, the foreign body which is obstructing the airway partially will obstruct it fully, and that will be a disaster. So friends, remember, no blind sweep to take out the foreign body. And please do watch our video tutorials which is available in English and Hindi on our YouTube channel and our app on adult CPR. That will give you a better perspective. Also remember that while giving the rescue breaths, you have to cover the face and nose of the child with your mouth, and you give it 2 quick blows to give the rescue breath. In adults, we pinch the nose, but in children or infants, we cover the open mouth and nose of the child with the face mask or with the mouth to give the rescue breaths. So this is a simple guide, basically how to rescue a child or how to give a CPR. And if you are interested in learning more, consider taking a certified CPR course. Friends, this video can serve as a quick guide in emergency in a desperate situation. So do save this video somewhere in your device so that you can access this video in desperate situation. And also, we are uploading all these videos on our app, which is available on Android and iOS. This app is basically for the Sagittarians, but I thought as a pocket reference, it would be wise to upload all these videos on app also, because in the mumbo jumbo of YouTube, these videos may not be available when you need them most. So be the bridge that connects hope and action. Learn CPR, save lives. Thanks for watching, friends. I hope I was able to add some new insight, and this video may at some point of time save somebody's precious life. And do like the content, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon for all the future updates, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much. Happy learning.